Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Energy Transition, the focus of Budget 2022-23. Servotech and Smart Power India to create a solar ecosystem in rural India. Updates related to solar tenders in Gujarat. Coming to the details. The Budget 2022-23 tabled in Parliament today has a major focus on enabling energy transition through provisions for boosting domestic manufacture of solar power equipment and batteries in line with the India's larger global commitment on tackling climate change. Finance Minister in her budget speech in Parliament today announced major allocation focusing on growth of renewable energy, energy efficiency, electric mobility, data centers, building efficiency, grid connected energy storage and supporting incentives for green bonds. In order to support the target to add 10 gigawatt of domestic manufacturing of solar panels, 19,500 crore rupees for production linked incentive will be made in 2022-23 budget. The government would provide enhanced financial support for setting up of distributed renewable energy projects in border villages under Vibrant Village program. The government would launch a battery swapping policy to allow setting up of charging stations at a scale with private companies encouraging to model the swapping, and land resources will be provided for the same. In order to boost farmers' income and address the issues of air pollution and stubble burning, the budget provides support to enable 5 to 7% co-firing of biomass pellets in coal-based thermal power plants. Energy saving and efficiency will be promoted in large commercial buildings, and 4 pilot projects for coal gasification and coal to chemical technology will be set up. The budget 2022-23 also provides for issue of green bonds for mobilizing resources for setting up of green infrastructure projects in the public sector. Also, the budget has provided for according infrastructure status for data centers and energy storage systems, including grid scale battery systems. The idea is to facilitate funding for clean energy projects. The government would provide for duty concessions to boosting domestic manufacturing of electronic goods and their parts, including electricity smart meters. Aiming to promote awareness about and access to solar power in the rural communities of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, and Jharkhand, Servotech Power Systems Limited has signed a memorandum of understanding with Smart Power India, a subsidiary of New York-based Rockefeller Foundation. Besides providing quality and reliable electricity supply, the project will eliminate dependence on traditional biomass cook stoves used in the rural areas that exposes the families to high levels of indoor air pollution and severe adverse health impacts that result in higher mortality rate or lower life expectancy. This collaboration will surely help rural communities better and drives a positive change in the society. Gujarat State Electricity Corporation Limited has floated two different tenders for solar projects. First tender is to design, engineering, supply, procurement, construction, erection, testing, and commissioning of 35 megawatt grid connected solar project around the substation of Gujarat Energy Transmission Corporation Limited in Kutch district of Gujarat. The successful bidder will also have to take care of operation and maintenance activities of the project for 5 years. The last date to submit bids online is February 25, 2022. Bids will be opened on March 7th. The second tender invited bids from engineering, procurement, and construction contractors to develop 131 megawatt of solar projects in the Surendranagar and Morbi districts of the Gujarat state. After commissioning these projects, the successful bidder will also be responsible for operation and maintenance of projects for 5 years. The last date to submit bids online is February 25th, 2022. Bids will be opened on March 7th. The pre-bid meeting will take place on February 18th. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 194.66 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details, price discovered during night 2 rupees 25 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 4 rupees 56 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 6 rupees 90 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 4 rupees 87 paisa per unit. Price discovered weighted average price is 4 rupees 99 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network, and the prices are uniform in all the regions. In green day ahead market, 5.08 million units of volume cleared with a weighted average price of 4 rupees 93 paisa per unit. Thank you and good day.